How to fix your Windows taskbar freezing or simply if they're unresponsive. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel App Guide. In today's video, I'll show you a simple way on how you can fix if your taskbar is not responding and freezing. Let's say you're not being able to click on the applications, you're not being able to use the search feature and anything else. There is a simple way to fix this. The very first thing you have to do is we have to launch our task manager, and in order to launch our task manager, we would need to right click on the taskbar, right? But since we're not being able to right click on our taskbar because it's freezing or unresponsive, there is a specific keyboard shortcut. You just want to press the keys called Ctrl Alt and Delete at the same time on your Windows, and you'll see a list of options. Now I'll leave a screenshot to this. Over here at the bottom you'll find the option called Task Manager, so you have to open up Task Manager. When you open up Task Manager, under the Processes tab in the apps, you'll find the option called Windows Explorer. Just right click on it and then choose the option called Restart. When you restart your Windows Explorer, all of the applications in the bottom of the dock icons are also going to be restarted, and this time most likely your applications could be responding properly. If not, try to first shut down your PC and try to restart your device as well. Hope this video helped you. If it did help, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching and see you soon in our next video.